Click on search icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Now select Run as Administrator. On this window, click on File, select Run New Task, and then click on Browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. From here just scroll down and open C System32 folder. Then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe file. Double click on it. Then check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. We already have the list of commands to make it easy for you. So we need to open Google Chrome. Then open google.com. In the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link which is from hows.tech. Now just scroll down and we need to copy these commands. So copy command number 12, go to command prompt window, simply right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter to execute it. Then copy command number 13 and right click and paste the command, hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt window. Click on search bar, then type here troubleshoot settings and click here to open it. After that, go to other troubleshooters and run the Windows update option. It will try to detect the problems. After that, close this window, again go to search bar and type services, then click here to open it. On this window, right click on background, intelligent transfer service properties and set the startup type as automatic. Click on apply and then OK. Do the same process for Windows Update. Open properties and select startup type as automatic. Then click on apply and then OK. Once done, close this window. Again go to search bar, type cmd and run as administrator. Now type these commands carefully. You will get all these commands in the description below. Just copy and paste it here and hit enter to execute them. Once done, close the command prompt window. Open File Explorer, open C drive, open Windows folder, then open Software Distribution folder, and from the download folder select all the files and just delete them. Now go to search bar, type cmd run as administrator. Now type this command carefully and hit enter. After that, close the command prompt window. Go to search bar, again type cmd run as administrator. Now type this command sfc space /scannnow and hit enter. This command will take some time to complete the process. Once done, close command prompt window. Again open command prompt, run as administrator. You will get this command from the description below. Just copy and paste it here. Now go for this command. Again hit enter. Close command prompt window. Open Google Chrome or any web browser and you'll get this link from the description below. Just copy and paste on the web browser and just follow my screen. Download the setup file. Select desktop and select save. Now install this setup file, select open and complete all the installation process. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.